What is up, Go Fam? Back with another video out here on the brand new One-Way E-Box. I love this joint. I rode it one time so far. The power is crazy on this joint. Remember I said this joint definitely got more power than the Sur-Ron. Definitely got more power than the stock Sur-Ron now. But this is the brand new One-Way E-Box. Come with the light, come with new throttle and grips, come with upgraded motor, 72 volt battery. Got the peg hanger, so the peg hang down a little further. Brand new E-Box seat, it's wider now. Crazy, I had this bike for like a month already. I didn't even see the sticker kit yet. Let's rip this ish off. Sheesh. Final sticker. Damn. Blue frame on this joint, got the blue swing arm with the blue one-way sticker kit on this pup. Shit, so fire. I don't even know what the battery says. I gotta rip this one off. I don't know if it's an E-Box or One-Way. It might say E-Box. Let me rip all these stickers off, then I'm gonna go over a little more stuff. I wish I had someone to record me so I can show all this, but I don't, so I'm gonna make it work. You hear me? Should have definitely put One-Way on the back of this joint though. Big One-Way sign right here. I might get that ish done to it. I know this one sticker stuck, but you see it. Got this side all the way off. Damn, this joint look good. With the One-Way E-Box, it does come with a headlight now. This joint looks so good. Sheesh. One-Way sticker right here though, that would have did it. Got the wider seat on it too. Same thing on the other side. Got the new iPhone charger joint and the old iPhone charger. Got the new screen on this pup. This joint got 3 modes. We're on 100% right now. This the light switch right here. Turn the light on and off. Got the new throttle on here. I believe this is like the Sur-Ron throttle setup. Got the same old brakes. Definitely gonna have to upgrade the brakes with this power because it's way too much power. This is exactly how it come. Nothing, I ain't changed nothing yet. Shout out to Apex, sent me this little shifter. All you gotta do is loosen this bolt. I already loosened it with an Allen key or a 10mm. Loosen that, throw that bolt out, put that in there, tighten this pup up. Shout out to Apex. And I believe it's a Young Bull, so go support Young Bull. Making foot brakes and all for the E-Boxes, the dragsters. So go support them. Sell the shift locks. You see it. Let's go, I'm about to go hop in traffic. I'm gonna be worming a little bit. Got the brand new tires. This don't feel crazy, this don't smack, so, but let's go. On the One-Way E-Box, take first ride. Oh, whoa. Oh, you hear that? Oh. Oh, slow down. Slow her down. Oh, ew. It's all mode 3 too. All mode 3. Oh my. Bro, this don't really smack though. Ah! But let's do a top speed test. I'm gonna do it from mode 1 and go to 3. Start off mode 1. 16 miles per hour. Mode 2. Little 28. Mode 3. Little 46, that fast. Little 46. Let's go. I hope both of these joints turn green at the same time. That give me 2 blocks. I should definitely hit 50. This joint just want to lift up the whole time. Let's go. Woo-hoo! This thing hit 50 in 1.5 blocks, not even 2 blocks. 1.5 blocks, this joint hit 50. Oh, Put the gloves on real quick. Gotta get right before we bet this city. Oh, let's do a burnout real quick. Get this tire right. Oh, hold up. We gotta get mode 3. Dial. That ain't do nothing to this tire though. This on like a good tire. If my foot down, y'all ain't see that. I dislike foot down wheelies, but when you got brand new tires, you got an excuse. Still some worm miss, but you got an excuse. If you're used to a bike and putting your feet down, sell it. You're terrible. Oh my. It's just really crazy though. Definitely gotta upgrade the brakes. Whew. Oh my, that joint almost threw me. For the old E-Box, these brakes was the lowest 30 for it. For this E-Box though, I can't lie, these brakes is terrible for it. This don't got too much power and speed for these brakes. Let's try to hit some combos. Whew. This joint really don't drop though. That joint was just close to the ground, smacked it, that joint came right back up. Woo-hoo-hoo. Bro, I just jumped to that joint on this. That's crazy. Ew. Bro, like no exaggeration, once you hit the, look, I'm not trying to lift it on everything. I'm just hitting, well, not when you're going fast, but like this fast, you don't gotta lift it. It just lift. On everything, I'm not trying to lift it. I'm just hitting the gas. Wait till I get these street tires. Ah! On green, green. Let's see how fast the one-way E-Box is. Stop. Whole bike is stop. She thinks she about to win this race? Goodbye. Bye-bye. Check you later. 50, 51, 52, 53. BOMMA glad rastama. 53. I gotta run it back though. Stock one-way E-Box. Let's see the top speed on this thing. We in mode 3, the highest mode. Mark, get set, go. I ain't gonna lie, when you first start off, you gotta start off a little slow. This thing just want to lift. 40 already. 45. Eesh, windy too. 48, 50, 53, 54, 55, 56. 56 miles per hour on this little bike is diabolical. That's crazy, I ain't gonna lie. Oh, foot down, bull. Chico. Oh. Oh. Drag. Oh. We ain't dropping. Ooh. The new upgraded seat feel way better too. It's a little wider and it got more cushion on it. Old E-Box, that joint's skinnier and barely any cushion. It's joint comfortable now though. I need a foot brake ASAP. Ooh. One hand pickup like this. Ooh. Okay. It's wind drawing. Gotta fight the wind. Get through there. Get through there. Get through there. Oh. Look, watch, you bring it down, it's gonna come right back. Look, that joke close to the floor, right back. Close to the floor, right back. Close to the floor, right back. Yo, this joke really crazy though. Ooh. And this bike is completely bone stock. The only thing I added was the shift lock. Shout out to Apex. Hey man, I miss when the hood was lit. Everybody was out here. Side, cry baby Kai, Onk and them, line. Look how quiet and all it is now. But you see the one-way EBOX, this thing looking good, feeling even better. It comes with the 72 volt, 25 amp hour, I believe. I'm not too good with the specs. I don't really know all that, so that's why I'll never explain that stuff. I just do me and that's it. But go fam, this is the end of this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go get the merch right now, link in the description. Go do me a favor. Go to Bloomfield Production Instagram, go comment on his ish and say edit. Just say edit. Just comment edit. He had a video for like 3 months now that still ain't done that I've been waiting for. He drawing, so just go to his Instagram, comment edit. Please like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Go get the merch. Know the vibes, go fam, love y'all. Keep God first. We out.